everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd share how I make my Slimming World falafels. I'm just going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you how I make mine. So I've got 2 cans of chickpeas here, so I'm just going to drain these. I'm going to take 2 because these ones are quite big, look. So just going to finely chop these and the garlic, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've got my chickpeas here, so I'm just going to pop them into my blender, or if you've got a food processor, just pop it in there, or a handheld one, you know, whatever you use. And then here I've got my spring onion and garlic. I've actually done 4 cloves of garlic because we like garlic, so it's entirely up to you if you don't want to go with that much, or with any at all actually if you don't want to. Salt, black pepper, right, so baking powder and cumin. So I need 1 teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to use 2 halves because I can get them in here then, as opposed to half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 medium egg, okay, so then what you should end up with is the mix to look like this. It's like a coarse paste, and then you're just going to, on your baking tray, I've got baking parchment on mine which I have sprayed with extra little bit of fry light. And then as long as your hands are clean, just make it into little balls and pop it on your baking tray. So I'm gonna see how many I get out of this. So it depends on the size you want to do them, but there we go. I'm just doing them like that. That's a rough idea. So I'm just going to pop these over here, just leave them for a bit, and then I'm just going to preheat my oven. I've got a fan oven, so I'm preheating it to 180. Okay, so now I'm going to make the hummus to go with it. Right, so for this I need garlic again, and depending on how much you like your garlic, we do like garlic, so I put a little bit extra in. Drained another can of the chickpeas, they're in there now, and I'm going to pop in the garlic. Oi, you two! 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I haven't got a fresh lemon in, but I've got some in the freezer, but I didn't take them out, so I'm just using this squirty lemon juice. So 2 tablespoons of that goes in. There's a pinch, but I'm going to go with a 1/4 teaspoon, and then 60 grams of fat-free Greek yogurt. And I'm now going to take this over and blitz it all together. Right, so I'm just going to pop the falafels into the oven now for 20 minutes. Okay, so while the falafels are in the oven, I've made the hummus. I'll show that to you in a minute. I'm now going to cut some crudities up. So I'm going to do some celery, carrot, tomatoes, mushrooms, cucumber and some green pepper. Here we go then. This is our Saturday lunch. It's homemade falafels. Here they are. That's what they look like when they're cooked. I've done a big plate of lots of speedy crudities. I've done Slim and Wild style hummus. Got some ham here with jalapenos and gherkins, and this is the low-fat salad cheese. So here you go. This is what we're having today for our lunch.